What's happening, everyone? It is Jeffrey here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Colorado Properties, and Mountain Luxury Group. And here is another episode of One Take Talks. This is where I do it in one take, and I tell you how it is. And today, I'm telling you how it is at 751 Singletree Road, number 1. Now, this is a spectacular 4-bedroom remodeled residence in the beautiful Singletree Community. And so I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek before my clients show up so you could have a look. They redid absolutely everything in here. White oak wood floors, wrought iron beams. Look at this kitchen. How about that, everybody? Really nice. Now, one of the nice things that I love about this house are the views. Let's take a look out from the kitchen sink here. Check this out. So we have Arrowhead straight out in front of you. Over this direction, you have the whole Lake Creek Valley. And then you can also see the top of Beaver Creek. And we're under a winter weather advisory, so we're gonna see some snow coming in this weekend. Let's just take one more look here at this living area. We have dining room, nice open floor plan here. Just beautiful, really nice views to the west. Let's go upstairs to see the office and powder room and master suite. Let's take a look at the office first. Really nicely done. It is also being sold furnished. And again, look at these views everywhere you look. Directly across is the Singletree Golf Club there. That is the Sun and Out Golf Course, and there is a full-fledged gym directly across the street, as well as a restaurant called Harvest. Really great. Check this out. Look at this awesome, great powder room. How about that? And the master suite is really special. It's got 2 closets. This is his closet, and then hers is in the master bathroom. And the master bathroom is great. Check it out. Big, huge soaking tub, enormous walk-in shower, radiant floors, large format tile here. Fantastic double vanity, really nicely done. And look at the size of this closet. And this closet will all be built out nicely. All right, so let's continue on here, and we're gonna go down a couple of floors so I can show you what the rest of this looks like. This baby came on the market about a year ago, and they bought it for about 1.5 million. This is listed at $2,575,000 right now. All new carpet down on this level, and you have a 3/4 bath here. Again, we're still doing punch list items on this, but a nice shower here. And then here's your second bedroom, and they have a couch in here that's being staged right now. But a great little bedroom suite with a nice patio that again looks out to these awesome views of Arrowhead. Let's continue down, and I'll show you another beautiful bedroom suite. And the furniture is going to be included in the price here. And then you have a nice vanity and another really well done 4-piece bath. Let's head downstairs. We got laundry straight ahead of us. Nothing big about that. But let's go down here and check this out. This is going to be such a cool little spot. This is a great little media room area, secondary living space down here. And then you have a great big bedroom suite down here. I would even call this your secondary primary suite. Nice big walk-in shower, nice big closet as well, or storage. And even though we're just a little bit below grade here, you still got the views up there. So, if you like what you see here, give me a ring. This one may not be available by the end of the weekend, but I got other things that I could definitely show you that you would absolutely love to become a part of the beautiful Vail Valley. So, signing off, Jeffrey Clunan, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Colorado Properties. My telephone number, 970-445-8388. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Bye now.